Today we'll talk about how can you add your interests on your Groupon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Groupon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on my stuff down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down here until you found here preferences, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on interest, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So you just switch into open with you. It's going to show for you like this. And here you select your interest, you click on save, then it's going to save with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.